Karbi Students Association demands instant terminations of Sri Mangal's business trading license. One-day Hacha-Kekan festival organized at Hamrend on 15 January. Academy of the Martial Arts Assam organized felicitations and bell grading event at Kheroni High School on 15 January. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. On 15th of January, Karbi Students Association called for a press conference at Dipu over the controversy of sexual misconduct of Nissan Jain. Says Nissan Jain, son of Sri Mangal shops owners at Dipu, practicing sex scandals in the name of business is not acceptable. Quick interventions of Karbi Autonomous Council and instant terminations of trading license to Sri Mangal must be done. During the press conference, KSA leaders said the trend of keeping women as a commodity by few wealthy businessmen at Karbi Anglong, this trend must be put to an end. Due to the Nissan Jain, proprietor of Sri Mangal Dipu, Karbi Anglong is morally degraded, and due to such activities prevalent at the district, women are oppressed, suppressed and looked down upon the society. KSA demands the arrest of the proprietor of Sri Mangal rather than apprehending Karbi students leaders, because these are the people who are degrading the society, using women as a commodity by degrading their honor and dignity. Therefore, KSA appeals Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and police to arrest Nissan Jain as early as possible and also to terminate the trading license of Sri Mangal.
The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also the law and order, particularly the police of Karbi Anglong, need to take a serious actions against those persons, because today, due to this such kind of persons, today our Karbi Anglong are morally degrading, and today the society, the women are facing lots of oppression and suppression because of this kind of situations happening here in Karbi Anglong. So, with the Karbi Student Associations, we would like to demand that instead of chasing those Karbi Student Association members, the Karbi Anglong police should arrest the proprietor of Sri Mangal as early as possible.
News Desk report for KAL Live. Hacha-Kekan is an annual post-harvest festival of the Karbi tribe in which the youths of the community rejoice to perform traditional harvesting dance with deep enthusiasm and exhilaration. Likewise, on 15th of January, one-day Hacha-Kekan festival was organized at Rongchindon, Hamret, Ward Number 3, West Karbi Anglong. Hacha-Kekan festival had been an integral part of the culture of Karbi community since the time immemorial. It is believed to be transpired from the village constituted by Rukasen at Chereha Hills. Since then, the traditions of celebrating post-harvest festival came into existence from generation after generation. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had also acknowledged Hacha-Kekan as the national festival of the Karbi community and is declared public holiday on 14th of January every year. But due to lack of extensive conservations of Hacha-Kekan tradition, the festival seems to remain huts. Hence, to revive and make the festival of Hacha-Kekan known to everyone, 8 senior citizens of Hamren's Rongchindon village took the initiative of organizing the festival. The event was chaired by Joy Singingti, president of the organizing committee, while the honor of introducing the guests was done by Bidyaram Rongpi, general secretary of the organizing committee. During early hour, traditional rituals were performed by offering prayers and seeking blessings from the gods, followed by paying homage to all the departed souls of the village. Biren Piso, chairman of Hamren Municipal Board, attended as the chief guest of the event. President and Secretary of Karbi Cultural Society, Hamren Zones, and several dignitaries of the region attended the festival. On the occasions, various competitions on traditional sports and literary were conducted. The winners of the competitions were awarded during the prize distribution ceremony. Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. Many materials artists had turned out to be successful due to their constant perseverance, dedications, and determination towards their art form. This had inspired many children from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district to pursue martial arts as their professions. Likewise, on 15th of January, Academy of the Martial Arts Assam, in collaboration with Mansuria Kung Fu International, organized felicitation cum bell grading program at Keroni Higher Secondary School, West Karbi Anglong district. Many had enrolled their names in various martial arts, while some bringing laurels to the district by bagging national and international medals. Baburam Rongpar, VDC chairman of Kopili constituency, attended as the chief guest of the event. Avinash Bey, Vice President of Academy of the Martial Arts Assam, Keroni Branch, Dhon Singh Dera, Father Binod, Ibungobi Singh, Coach Pradeep Singh, Chief Technical Director cum Examiner, and members of Academy of the Martial Arts Assam attended the event. It was informed that bell grading event was organized to motivate and encourage the children to excel and achieve greater heights in the said professions.
উঠিয়া ল'ৰাবিলাকৰ যিখিনি আকৌ বেছি মেডেল পাই কিনে এইখিনিতে এবাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্ট টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট পাতিবৰ কাৰণে আশা কৰিছোঁ আৰু মই ফালে সেইটো আমি কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি চব ল'ৰাবিলাকৰ ডিচিপ্লিন অফ মাৰ্চেল আৰ্টটো আমি শিকাওঁ প্ৰজন্মৰ লগতে মহিলা ছোৱালীবোৰৰ কাৰণে কি ক'ব মানে মেইনলিটো ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে বেছি ইনচেণ্টিভ দিছে মাৰ্চেল আৰ্টটো সমৰ কলাটো সেইকাৰণে বেছিভাগ গাৰ্জেনবিলাকে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ বিশেষকৈ গাৰ্লছবিলাকৰ বেছি incentive logo beli akak kursus masalah.
Mohan Teron's report from Keroni for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.